Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, from the 6th and last week of our summer code jam, we have Week 6 Play Ball by Master King. In Master King's code, we can see broadcast blocks, forever blocks, point in direction blocks, and change speed blocks too. In this fast-paced ping pong match, outscore your opponent. Next we have 2021 Summer Jam Week 6 by Agnes1210. Checking out the code, we can see some switch to costume blocks, set rotation style blocks, when I receive blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Rally with your opponent in this awesome game of badminton. Next up we have Week 6 Cannonball by A Person Who Codes. In their code, we see when I receive blocks, delete this clone blocks, broadcast blocks, and touching color blocks. Customize your own ball and hit your target by avoiding obstacles. And last but not least, we have Week 6 Soccer Ping Pong by Exceptional Sensation. This user used text coding to create a mix between soccer and ping pong. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!